This approval is the strongest endorsement from the agency with more evidence to its safety. So does this mean you may see more COVID-19 vaccination mandates? 13 on your side's Elena Holland joins us to explain.
Well, hi, good evening, Juliet. Many businesses have already mandated vaccination for their employees, but others still may not issue such a requirement even after this approval.
But I think there is a known comfort level, a confidence level, knowing that once it is FDA approved, it's got all the backing it needs, knowing that it's safe and effective.
Now, with full FDA approval for the Pfizer vaccine, you may see more vaccine mandates at businesses, restaurants, venues, and more.
They've seen a lot of the data that they need for the full approval. They've gotten the time frame in. It's been more than 6 months.
Spectrum Health announced last month COVID-19 vaccines would be mandatory for employees within 8 weeks of the first FDA approval. Grand Valley State University also cited making the vaccination deadline for students and staff September 30th was in anticipation of the approval before Labor Day.
With small businesses, I think it'll be the exception to the rule.
Meanwhile, Brian Calley, president of the Small Business Association of Michigan, does not think vaccine mandates will become the standard among smaller businesses, like they are for larger institutions like Spectrum Health or GVSU.
They can't really afford to add conditions of employment given the workforce shortages they already face.
Companies do have the ability to require vaccinations for their employers or customers if they choose.
The right to run a business gives you the right to decide who's going to enter your business and who is not, as long as it doesn't violate any federal laws or any state laws with regard to discrimination.
Mark Dotson, professor of law at WMU Cooley Law School, said that discrimination includes gender, race, ethnicity, and more.
There's no protected class of unvaccinated people.
A business can require vaccination for employers or customers, just as an individual has the right not to work for or patron the business.
This just gives them a stronger foothold, so to speak. More PR-wise than anything else, to go ahead and require that their employers be vaccinated.
And Moderna applied for FDA approval a month after Pfizer in June, as Johnson & Johnson said they plan to file for full approval later this year.